Hello, 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 hello. Yes, this is Mr. Fix, and this is the project we've been working on. We call it quarantine project. You have to stay home. You have to keep your head boiling. So it's just like 5 circuits compressed in one. Yeah, GSM module plus others, so that this thing can work the way we want it to work. It looks funny, but at least it's working the way we hoped it to work. This is our input, 12 volts. Boom, 12 volts. Then, okay, it is blinking. Yeah, the main function of this thing is just run this. Yeah, but remotely operated. So let's test and see. This is my phone. So we want to run this. I've just put this white to show you the. So I'm dialing this. Yeah. So it has moved from this side to support. Okay. Let's go back to our phone call. I hung up. Let's try again. And then we will switch off. Yep. So I think project done.